The stages of life are three. One, this dunya. How long is this dunya? For me, as long as I live. Because when I die, dunya is over. Yeah, but people will live. I don't care. The hell with them all. I'm dead. What would I benefit? Nothing. I'm dead. So dunya is over when I die. Then I go to al-barzakh. And al-barzakh is between dunya and al-yawm al-qiyamah. How long will I stay in my grave? This is al-barzakh. Maybe 1,000 years, 10,000 years, maybe 1,000,000 years. Then what? Then you have to go to the day of resurrection, the day of gathering. And this is when everyone is resurrected at the end of time. The system of this universe that we see will be disrupted, will change. Every day, the sun rises from the east and sets at the west. Sometimes we take selfies. The sun is setting, mashallah. And this happens every single day. At the end of the time, there will come a day that the sun, I'm waiting for a selfie for sunrise. Oops, the sun is coming from there. Compass, where is the east? Where is the west? This is over. This is the day of judgment. Okay, I have debts I want to pay back to people. I have rights I'd like to give back to people. I have to apologize to my wife for abusing her for 41 years. Too late. Give me one chance, please. Too late. It's the day of judgment. This is the day when the system of the universe will change. And the heavens, look up. When you look at the sky, do you see any crack? Any opening? So perfect. In my house, you see cracks in the ceiling, in the wall, on the floor. In the heavens, there's not a single crack. On the day of judgment, it will split open. It will crack. The sun and all of the stars, their light will diminish and go away. And the earth would shake and tremble. And the mountains, big mountains, will be blown up to pieces. Then, this is the announcement from Allah. This is the day of resurrection, the day of gathering. This is when Allah Azza wa Jal orders the decomposed bodies of the people in the graves. My great-great-great-great-grandfather? Yes. But he's ashes. He's dust. He's nothing. Allah will order how many? Billions? No. Trillions? Maybe. All of them will be resurrected. Their bodies will turn back to their normal form. And their souls will be put back in their bodies. And now they are alive. All of them will go to the land of gathering. Where is the land of gathering? I don't know. Google. It will not tell you. Rerouting. No, it will not tell you. The land of gathering is Asham, Syria, Palestine, Jordan. This whole area is called Ard al-Sham. This is where Allah will gather all human beings. This is the land of gathering and resurrection. So now it's time for accountability. Whatever good you did, you will see it today. And whatever evil you've committed, whatever sin you have done, whatever transgression you imposed upon other, you will see it.
And Allah knows best.